The heat shield has been separated. This allows both the radar and the cameras to get their first look at the surface.
New images from Mars are being viewed here on Earth by millions of people after the Perseverance rover touched down only days ago on the Martian planet. The rover immediately started relaying video before it even had its wheels on the ground, sending back unseen, high-quality images like never before. Altogether, the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover has 23 cameras to help it navigate and conduct experiments on the ground. The lenses are capable of zooming, tilting, taking color photos and panorama shots, according to NASA.
Every time we get a new mission to Mars, I just kind of drool over the pictures. It's like, wow, this is a really cool place.
Ed Klutis is a professor from the University of Winnipeg who helped design some of the onboard camera technology sent into space on the rover, including the Mastcam Z, which is responsible for taking most of the pictures on Mars being seen so far. The cameras were tested in a Mars-like environment that could mimic the planet's atmosphere before launch. Klutis says the colors are calibrated to be as accurate as possible, and it's been thrilling to see the younger generations getting excited about space.
I just see the enthusiasm of the kids that are involved in this, and I think that's really important for us to inspire the next generation of students, because they're the ones that are going to be the astronauts going to Mars. It ain't going to be me.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
So yeah, if you're just talking about Mars but not showing them any images, they're going to be interested, but not as much as if you're like, hey, take a look at this.
Emily Solalak is a grade 7 teacher at a Cole Edward Schreier school in Manitoba and says some of her students are incredibly enthusiastic about space. Last year, 3 boys in her class entered a contest to have an astronaut come to their school and actually won. The event had to be postponed due to COVID and then made virtual. However, the kids are thrilled for a chance to speak with a real astronaut and have been following the news about the Mars rover landing. Solalak has a feeling in a few decades, the kids from her classroom will be next on deck to explore outer space.
I would not be surprised at all if in 20 years some former students have become an astronaut or joined CSA, especially if they're talking about it now.
As for Klutis, he thinks the future settlers of space have already been born, potentially even now dreaming of what life might be like living off Earth.
For young kids today, I think it's totally feasible that some of these kids now will end up on Mars. Absolutely.
In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.